Welcome back to our 100 exotic paper airplane challenge. Today we're going to work on paper plane number 9, which is the dollar bill glider number 3 by Stephen Weiss. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to inspire people to connect more using origami. If you like paper airplanes and you like origami, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. First off, I want to apologize for the terrible throw. With the camera, I can only throw with a quarter of the power I have. If I throw with full power, this plane flies a lot better. You should probably try it out yourself. This dollar bill glider 3 is the third dollar bill glider I have from Steven Weiss's book. It's also the last one. If you missed the first two, please check them out. Links available in the descriptions. Once again, this dollar bill glider is meant to be folded with an American dollar bill. If you don't have one, no worries. All you have to do is take any sheet of paper, cut it in half along the long side, and we'll use half the sheet to replace the dollar bill. Here, I'm using a letter size paper. You can use an A4 or a square shaped paper. They'll all work fine. This dollar bill glider is the most complex out of the three dollar bill gliders, but it is the coolest. And for a paper airplane, it's folded in a really unconventional way. I'm certain you'll enjoy it. Once again, please leave a comment telling me how to improve my videos so I could deliver top-notch quality to you. And without further delay, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the tutorial, and I'll meet you at the end of the clip. And the dollar bill glider number 3 by Stephen Weiss is complete. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. Once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Click the playlist on the left for my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge. Click the playlist on the right for my list of awesome origami to learn and share.